Hello, my name is Muhammad Numan. In this channel, we discuss about crypto. So first of all, I should give you a quick market update. So let's go to the screen recording. Okay, come. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Numan. In this channel, we discuss about cryptocurrency. So first of all, we should go to Coin Market Cap. Uh, the market total cap is $2.07 trillion. The market is 0.41% up. Bitcoin is again on 43,094 dollar. Ethereum is also doing great, $3,320. The BNB is again doing great for $495, and the target price of BNB to this year is $1,000. I am very sure and very confident that the Ethereum will hit $1,000. Some people say Solana will hit $1,000, but that's not possible. Solana can go to $250 or $300, but or $400, but cannot cross $1,000 price mark. Cardano is also is 8.76% up. That's great. Cardano is doing great now. XRP is 0.25% as same. Terra Luna is 4% up. Polkadot is 1.59% up. Avalanche also is 3.16%. Dogecoin is down of 4.56%, but that you cannot calculate it downwards because it went up, I think, 20 to 25%. So that's a very minimum downfall after it blew after Tesla made comments that they can accept Dogecoin as a payment method. No, it's on right direction. Don't worry, it can go upwards very soon. Shiba is down 2%, but it can go also on very soon. It can go on upward very soon. Don't worry. You can say the market is now is some coins are on bearish movement, some coins are on bullish movement. So don't worry, take it easy, don't take tension. The market will correct itself after 4th or 5th Feb. Okay, so this is not a big problem if you are a new in the crypto market. So you can understand that, you can learn lesson from those who sold their coins in the bearish moment, and now they are saying why we sold our coins or our crypto. So please don't sell your coin on bearish moment on this moment, because if I bought Shiba Inu in 22 in 0.4022 first time I bought, you can say $500 Shiba Inu. That my Shiba Inu amount went up to $1,400. Okay, so I sold my amount. Then after that I purchased my Shiba Inu coin on 0.4050. I am now, if I can say, my portfolio is in profit. I know my portfolio is in profit now, which I initially invested in my portfolio. But if you can say Shiba, you can see Shiba. So Shiba, I am in loss in Shiba if you calculate in this way. Okay, so don't worry. I am also holding my all crypto. I can give you this advice: please don't sell your crypto in bearish movement. Don't worry if this year we don't get a huge bullish run. So don't worry, it will go, and it will go, and it will blow another year 2030 23. It will blow, and it will cover all your losses in 1 to 2 months if the bullish movement starts. Okay, so don't worry, take it easy, take my advice, and please don't see and don't please put those money which you can lose and which you can forget. So please, yeah, you can be make millionaire in cryptocurrency, but with patience. You are this is not a one night game. Please take patience. Patience. Some people are saying the Shiba Inu will hit 1 cent, or some are saying very big, very big hope, which some people have very big hope on Shiba Inu. They are saying it can hit $1, but that's not going to happen in soon. Okay, so you have to wait. If you want to look Shiba Inu to going to 1 cent, you should at least wait 1 year. If you want to see Shiba Inu to $1, you have to wait to. If you want to hit $1, if you want to hit $1 in Shiba Inu, you have to wait at least 10 to 15 years, because when the Shiba army do burnings, and when the new investor come into the market, they never purchase a big coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Terra, Luna, Solana, even Polkadot. They bought those coins which they can get a lot in 10 to $15. So they have the option of Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is going crazy and it can go to $1. The next option is in top 10 to 15 or 20 coin is Shiba Inu. So don't worry, Shiba will go on $1, but in 10 to 15 years after burning and after new investor come into the crypto market. So if now this time the whales and the institutions are coming into the Shiba, so don't worry, take it easy. Okay, and some news are there. The Robinhood will list. Okay, the Robinhood has a lot of pressure on them to list the Shiba Inu. So don't worry, they can be sure the Shiba Army will make sure the Robinhood list the Shiba Inu. Okay, we can give pressure to the Robinhood community. Okay, now I can say that please sit tight, take it easy, don't worry. You can say you can't speak very well on the crypto market, or how did you have a knowledge, and how are you doing this work, and how long do you do this work. So don't worry, I am not a very old investor. I am, you can say, a medium investor, which is doing this to 1.5 years. So don't worry, I'm like you. I have some losses, but I'll never ever sell my crypto in losses. Okay, so don't worry, take it easy, subscribe the channel, like the button, like and comment down below. Thank you very much.